Hello everyone. So today's topic of discussion is the little child from the CBSE curriculum class 9. This is chapter 3. When we are at a very young age, sometimes we doubt the strict behavior of our parents. Sometimes we wish better it would have been if we had no parents at all. भगवान दुनिया में पापा क्यों बनाया है? सिर्फ डांटने के लिए, मारने के लिए? But this doubt is actually because of the lack of our knowledge. At that very young age, we do not have that matured understanding that what is the importance of these parents in our life. They guide us, support us, give us various kinds of information, knowledge, and make us ready for the struggles of life. And for that, they need to be a little bit strict in their behavior, attitude. At the same time, they are also very loving, very caring. Some of the parents are oriented to love and affection comparatively more than scolding, rebuking, and expressing themselves strictly. Whereas some parents are there who try to bring their children at the right path, on the right path, by their very strict behavior. That is for the sole cause of the children, for their complete reformation, so that they would grow up to be a very educated, cultured, disciplined man or woman. That discipline works a wonder in our life. Let us read and explain the difficult phrases and sentences. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with "Goodbye, father." I know there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. This story is related to a very young girl who stands as a representative to all the children at that age. She was such a girl who was very much fearful of her father, and she always tried to avoid him. Every morning when her father left home before going to his office, he gave a casual kiss. He gave a casual kiss to her, and she replied to that kiss hesitatingly, "Goodbye, father." There was a very glad sense of relief. She was at peace. She felt comfortable. She was at ease when she found that her father had ultimately left for his office place, workplace. When she heard the noise of the carriage, जब वो सुन लेती थी ना कि गाड़ी का आवाज दूर तक चला गया, now she got affirmed. अब पापा बहुत दूर चले गए हैं. Now she will not come back soon. In the evening when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. "Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper is out there, and bring me my slippers." In the evening, when the girl's father came back, he talked to his mother, and at that time, this little girl, she stood by the staircases. She just kept herself hiding from the sight of her father. She just followed him through his voice. She just heard him. सुनती थी बस, डरी डरी सी, सामने नहीं आती थी. उसके पापा अपनी मम्मी से बात करते थे, मतलब इस लड़की के ग्रैंडमदर से. बोलते थे, "मम्मी, मेरा न्यूज़पेपर अभी तक नहीं आया क्या?" खड़ी आवाज में. "जाओ जाके देखो मेरा पेपर भी आया है कि नहीं, और हाँ, मेरा वो स्लीपर्स लेती आना, चप्पल ले आना." वो सुनती थी डरे डरे से पापा का ये हाई पिच्ड आवाज. केजिया, बच्ची का नाम अब हमको राइटर इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. दैट गर्ल, लिटिल गर्ल, her name was Kezia. Mother would call to her, "If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots." And then my mother, she called me by addressing my name, "Kezia, oh my sweet little girl, if you are really a disciplined and good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots." बोलती थी, "If you are a good girl, then please come and get your father's boot off." जाओ जाके पापा का जूता निकालने में मदद करो. पापा खुद भी जूता निकाल सकते हैं, लेकिन ये एक डिसिप्लिन है. बेटियों को, बेटों को डिसिप्लिन बनाने का तरीका है. आओ चलो जूता निकालो, चलो बैठा देंगे। ये कोई चाइल्ड लेबर नहीं करवा रहे हैं, उसको डिसिप्लिन बना रहे हैं। बच्चियों को जब मम्मी बोलती है जाओ आज रोटी बनाओ, वृंदा जाओ रोटी बनाओ, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि चाइल्ड लेबर करवा रही है ना। वृंदा को डिसिप्लिन दे रही है, सिखा रही है कि इन फ्यूचर जब तुम कभी ऑफिस गोइंग गर्ल बन जाओगी, कहीं किसी जॉब में काम करोगी, अकेले रहना पड़ेगा, तब मम्मी मम्मी चिल्लाओगी तो मम्मी आएगी रोटी बनाने, वहां खुद बना सकोगी, इसलिए डिसिप्लिन सिखाना पड़ता है। Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs, more slowly still across the hall and push open the drawing room door. And then, after hearing the commands of her mother, केजिया धीरे से आती थी, हॉल में तो और स्लो हो जाती थी और धीरे से आके दरवाजा खोलती थी, डरे डरे। By that time he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. अब तक उसके पापा घर में बैठ के चश्मा वश्मा पहन लेते थे और टेरिफाइंग तरीके से केजिया को देखते थे। इतनी डरी डरी क्यों है, शेकी क्यों है इतनी? Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? पापा जैसे ही उसको देखते थे बोलते थे, Hey, Kezia, come fast, take my boots off. And have you been good girl today? कुछ बदमाशी तो नहीं किया? अच्छी लड़की की तरह बिहेव की हो तो सारा दिन? केजिया का रिप्लाई देखो, I don't know father. डर के बोलती थी, हेजिटेट करके, पता नहीं पापा। उसके पापा उसको इमिटेट करते थे, नकल करते थे उसको फॉलो करते थे उसी के स्टाइल में। बोलते थे, You don't know. If you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. ऐसे स्टटर करोगी, स्टटर मीन्स स्टैमर, हकलाना है ना। शाहरुख खान को सुने होगे डर पिक्चर में, आई लव यू किरण, तो ये क्या होता है? हकलाना होता है, स्टैमर। इफ यू स्टैमर लाइक दैट, मम्मी को बोलना पड़ेगा तुम्हारी, एंड शी विल टेक यू टू अ डॉक्टर। She never stuttered with other people, had quite given it up. But had quite given it up means this is the general attitude in very young age of all the children. Almost all the children stutter. सभी बच्चे करीब करीब तुतलाते हैं या फिर स्टैमरिंग करते हैं, ठीक है ना। ये सब नेचुरल है, सभी के साथ होता है। और केजिया का ये सब बिहेवियर छूट चुका था, तुतलाने वाला या हकलाने वाला। लेकिन पापा को देखते ही उसका हालत खराब हो जाता था। Only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. क्योंकि कोशिश करती थी ना कि हम थोड़ा प्रॉपर ढंग से बात करें, बस उसी में स्टैमरिंग करने लगती थी। When you try not to make mistake, then only you make mistake, isn't it? तो उसके साथ भी वही होता था। पापा के सामने परफेक्ट बनना चाहती थी बातचीत में, बस स्टटरिंग करने लगती थी। What's the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? और तुरंत उसके पापा बोलते थे, क्या हुआ, इतने सैड क्यों दिख रही हो तुम? केजिया को बोलते थे। फिर अपनी मम्मी को बुलाते थे, मदर, आई विश यू टॉट दिस चाइल्ड नॉट टू अपीयर ऑन द ब्रिंक ऑफ सुसाइड। हियर केजिया, कैरी माय टी कप बैक टू द टेबल केयरफुली। और उसके बाद अपने मम्मी को बुला के बोलते थे उसके पापा कि माँ यहाँ आओ तो, इस बच्ची को थोड़ा ट्रेनिंग दो, तुम क्या कर रही हो घर में सारा दिन, बच्ची को ट्रेनिंग दो, नहीं तो ये ऐसे रहेगी ना तो बड़ी हो जाएगी तो इसको सुसाइड करना पड़ेगा। जो इसका एटीट्यूड है, हकलाती है, डरती है, दुखी दुखी दिखती है, कोई चाम नहीं है, एटीट्यूड इतना घबराया हुआ, डरा हुआ, देखो इसको मम्मी सिखाओ। और यू केजिया, लो मेरा कप पकड़ो, कप को ले जाओ वहां ठीक से रखो केयरफुली। He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. That child is giving the description of a father when you were very young. So in comparison to your height, your physical constitution, your parents were too high, too big, huge in size. You must be thinking that they are giant like, है ना, राक्षस जैसा दिख रहा है लोग, इतना बड़ा बड़ा। तो केजिया को यही लगता था मेरा पापा राक्षस जैसे दिख रहे हैं, कितने बड़े बड़े हैं, कितना बड़ा बड़ा हाथ है, कितना बड़ा मुंह है, जब यॉनिंग करते हैं करके मुंह खोलते हैं, कितना यॉनिंग करते हैं, खतरनाक। His neck, उनका गर्दन कितना बड़ा है। Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. और सिर्फ उसके बारे में सोचने से, मतलब सिर्फ पापा के बारे में सोचने से उसको ऐसा लगता था कि my father looks like a giant, very fearful of her father. Her father was not at all friendly with her. This was a kind of her father's attitude. In this way only he wanted to make his child disciplined. It was not so that he didn't love and cared for her. No, he loved her. He had a lot of affection as a father. But his way of dealing with his child was something different. On Sunday afternoons, a grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. Okay, now the girl's grandmother, she was really very caring about the child, and she taught separately to the child that listen, Kejia, I am teaching you a method to be friendly with your parents. Actually, you have to encounter them, you have to face them, you have to talk with them in a friendly manner. You should involve with them in interaction, family interaction. So, on every Sunday, you go to the dining hall or to the drawing room, wherever they are, and talk to them. You will not be fearful, you will feel comfortable with them. Kezia tried it too. On many Sundays, whenever she went to the drawing room, she found that her mother is busy reading books, and her father, he was lying on the sofa very comfortably and sleeping, with his handkerchiefs covering his face and his leg stretching on one of the best cushions. Now, what to talk? Whom to talk? क्या बात करें? किससे बात करें? बेचारी लौट आती थी. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time. Then he looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. And so she just kept waiting, sitting on a stool and waiting for her father to talk to her. After some time, when her father got up, he yawned, asked about the time, and then he looked at her again strictly and said, what are you looking at me in this way? Why are you looking at me? You are looking like a brown owl, little brown owl. ब्राउन कलर की उल्लू लग रही हो, ऐसे मत देखो.